Hey guys, we're going live at 9:29, battling for Josh's PS4 Battlefront edition. Great odds here, as I'm seeing. We got 15 spots. Good luck, guys. And I'm gonna paste over here in random to find our winner. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 6, so we're golden. Good luck, folks. Hours of enjoyment. Scott, round 1. And 2, Matt 3, Steve 4, Steve 5, bringing us to the all-important final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Matt in at number 9. Congratulations, Matthew. Here's the verification code. And official results, CKVDYV. Matthew Gin or Gin. Either way, he's the winner. And at number 9, I'm done. At 9:30. Whammy. Oop, there it is, 9:30. Again, here's the official results. Matthew in at number 9. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.